Hello and welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English, where we make learning English easy. Today we're going to look at adjectives, making adjectives stronger or weaker. For example, it's cold today. It's cold today. Cold is the adjective. You can make it stronger by adding an adverb like very. For example, it's cold today, it's very cold today. You can also make it weaker by using quite or fairly or rather. You can say, it's fairly cold today or it's quite cold today. So you're making the adjective stronger or weaker by adding an adverb. You can make adjectives stronger by using very, extremely, really. For example, we were very tired after the trip. We were very tired after the trip. I felt extremely nervous before the exam. I felt extremely nervous before the exam. Or, I'm really angry with you. I'm really angry with you. I used to be a DJ on the radio in England. I was quite famous. I wasn't very, very famous. I wasn't a little bit famous. But lots of people knew me. I was quite famous. You could also say I was pretty famous. You can use pretty in informal language. You wouldn't usually write down, he was pretty famous. You would say, he was quite famous. So pretty, more in conversational, texting, informal language. Quite, you can use in formal language. Remember, you can also use quite and pretty to describe a noun. For example, Christina has quite a good job. Quite a good job. Quite is the adverb, good is the adjective, and job is the noun. Christina has quite a good job. If you use pretty, you have to change the a. You can say, Christina has a pretty good job. So remember, it's quite a and a pretty. That was a pretty good lesson. Or, that was quite a good lesson. English grammar, adverbs plus adjective. Easy peasy. Thank you for watching. Tell your friends, and we'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now. That's quite a nice cup of tea.